Yes. Yes.
Skylar, you want this one?
Yes.
Alright. But I have to put my passcode first. You have to wait. I have to put the passcode, okay?
Okay. Zero.
0.
3. 1. 5.
That's it? You got it.
Wait. Alright, so let's see if...
0, 3, 1, 5. Yes!
You got it? You would never forget that.
Oh my god. He's been dying for that passcode forever. Oh god. What's the what is it? 0? What is this guy? The password.
So,
Yeah. Let's try it again. Do it again.
0, 3, 1, 5.
That's why I kept